Today it's the 20th of June 2020. And we have Puistomäki at the back. And let's take a see here in Kilo. Leppävaara Alberg close to there, and it's Espoo. Espoo Helsinki region, also Finland, Finland, built in 1995, turned 25 years old in 2020, it will be expected this year in 2022. Built between 1994 and 95, design number is H68389. S5 on ship.
Spectate parkeringsbetalt med den balkon i test.